Hello guys, I'm here and this is my first video and I know my English is not well, but I'm here to tell you how to call someone without sharing your number. So here is my phone and I live casting in my monitor to show you how to do it. So here is a Telegram bot. I share the link for you in title. So when you start the bot, you can choose your language: English, Russia, Arab, Portugal. I know my English is not good. So Germany, Italiano, I think is Ukraine and Spanish. So which is English, not need to subscribe this channel, skip. So registration complete. You get balance 10 cents for testing call. Uh, so my account. Here we can call someone, put your number here. So it said to make call, please click here. This is the ID and then the call icon. So open this ID and call. Here we can see what happened. One, two, three. Yeah, I can hear, but not in video. So this was my first call and my test call, and all my balance was cleared.